Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Foodybite's apps inside today need to developing here the registers UI need to develop here. First of all, need to see these designs inside the XD files. Now need to opening this here the XD files and look like this here the creating here. This UI need to develop inside the Flutters how to create. So need to see this here. First of all, need to create here the new screens inside the login folders. Need to create here the new files and to give this here the name sign up screen dot dots. Create here the stateful widgets, give this here the name, sign up screens, and we need to create here the material. What's here the material dependency? Now create here the state scaffold. Create here the go inside here the copy the screens. Maybe we need to copy this here the login screens. Copy here and we need to paste here this scaffold and import this here the color extensions and check this here white text fields. Remove here this row no needs forget passwords. Also import this here the round button. Change this here the button name as a register. Registers and another buttons we need to developing here. So we need to create here the row. Create here. Create here the main axis alignment. Set here the center. Now need to cut this here this button. Paste here. Set here the comma. Login. And we need to change this here the color button like here. Now creating here the text, need to copy here this text and we need to paste here. Give this here the set here the titles like here and we need to set here the 15 17 similar to font size. Save here. Like here. Now need to configure open this here the sign up screens. How to open? Now need to go inside here and to find out here the create accounts buttons and we need to use this here the context dot post extension methods. We need to calls and sign up screens. We need to configure here and const value. Save here. Click on black. Click on new accounts and open like this here the screens we need to show here. Now we need to change this here the background image. First of all we need to import this here the background image for the sign up. Need to put here copy relative path and we need to set as a sign up. Go sign up screens, replace here and change this here the UI. Look like this here the show here. Need to remove here the titles. Now no needs here. Need to clean here these titles like here and also remove here the space. Now first of all making here the text fields all making. Copy here, set here the name and we need to set here the icon. Users maybe person. Outline, check here the person 2. Icons look like this here the show as a name. Field we need to set this here. Then after again we need to copy these lines of code and we need to set this here the confirm password. Copy here this password, paste this here. We need to set here the 20 and now need to change this here confirm password. Set here the titles, save here and show like this here this buttons. Increase here the 16 for the sign up buttons we need to show like here. Now we need to give this here the some space and to developing this here the user profiles UI need to developing here, increase this here the set here the 50. Now create here the stack children's and we need to first of all the making here the button, create here the container decorations, box decorations we need to set this here, and we need to set here the width and heights, we need to set here the pics, we need to set here the 120 like here, set here the background colors, now set here the background color white with opacity, need to set here the 20, border radius also configures here, circulars we need to set here, need to set this here the 60, look like this here the show here. Now need to create here the backdrop filter, need to set here as a widget backdrop, maybe typo backdrop filters, and we need to apply this here the filters, use this here the image filter dot blur, use this here the sigma x and y 5.0, sigma y 5.0, create here the child and we need to cut these brackets and to given this here's this bracket like here's, and making here this blur, and also need to set here the clip are rect, wrap with widgets, and to give this here the clip are rect, set here the border radius, we need to same as this one and show like this here, similar to designs we need to making like this here, and then after we need to set here the buttons, we need to create widgets wrap equal on tab event like here, creating here. Now these containers inside we need to set here the child, need to set here icons dot person person to outletted color white, and size we need to set here the size value, set here the 15s const, save this years and look like this here the show, decrease this years to set here the 40, like similar to designs we need to making here like this here the UI, need to configure here and need to set here the increase this here the some height space, size box, give this here the height, need to set here the 40 height space or save like here, show like here the creatings for this UI we need to set here, but another things we need to configure this here the create here the buttons. Need to give here the alignment dot bottom right. Set here, create here the button in quell on tab event, like here. Create here the child. Need to set here the container decorations, box decoration. Set here the color, T color, button colors. We need to set here. Set here the border radius. Circulars we need to set here first of all the width and height. So we need to configure here the 40. Set here the 20. And we need to set here the borders. Border all. Set here the color white. Give this here the width. Set here the 2 like here. Save this here and look like this here the showing here these buttons. Now center inside to put this here the upload icons. Need to draw here. Create here the icons. Set here icons dots. Need to set here. Upload file. Set here color white. Size need to set this here the 15. Cost. Save here and need to increase this here. Set here the 20 and look like this, similar to designs. Need to making like this here the UI, maybe arrow top up is good like this. Set here, save this here, and this UI are the done. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.